So if the Where Winds Meet is crashing or not launching for you on your PC, well, there are a few things that you may want to check here and you may want to do. Now, first things first is you may want to check if you can actually run the game on your PC. Now, to know if you can run the game, typically you just go to your Steam account here, go to store, and just look or basically visit the store page for where Winds Meet is, and usually at the very bottom it should give you the system requirements. Now typically a game will run fairly good if it has, or at least has, the minimum requirements here, but in this case, I would highly recommend you to have the recommended specs here. So if you do meet the specs here, you shouldn't have any problems with running out the actual game here. But if you do not meet that, well, that's your problem here. So it means that your PC can't handle the game. But again, like what I said, if you do meet the requirements or the recommended specs here, well, typically you should be able to run the game. But in some cases, you may not be able to do so. And if you still have this problem, well, there are other things that you could try doing. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to update your GPU. Now, depending on what is your GPU, so it may be like NVIDIA, it may be AMD, depends on your PC or laptop. So what you need to do is you want to go and visit the app. So I have NVIDIA in my PC. So go and open up NVIDIA here. Now, inside the app itself, now by the way, if you haven't installed the driver for your GPU, install that first. That's why you're having problems with running the game. So yeah, go ahead and just visit the app itself, go to drivers, and if you do see any updates or install buttons here that is clickable, go and just press that and wait for a while. Now, typically, once the update is complete, you may need to restart your PC so that you're now going to use the updated driver for your GPU. And typically, that should solve any problems that you may be encountering here. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you want to do is you want to guarantee that your PC is or has enough resources. Now, if you only have the recommended settings here, typically it, or at least the minimum specs on your PC or laptop here, well, it might not run the game smoothly, so you need to free up some resources. So you want to press Control Shift Escape on your keyboard to open up Task Manager, and in here you want to go and just close any apps that you're not using. Now, especially if you have like let's just say other game launchers open up, or if you have like browsers open up as well, you want to go and just close them up, right click on them and click on the end task option here, and you want to do this for any app that you're not using. Now, in this case, once you've done that, you go and just close this window, open up where winds meet here, and see if that actually helps. Now, if none of this actually work, the final thing that you could try doing here is to restart your PC. Now, sometimes doing a quick restart can help a lot, so go ahead and just do that and see if that helps. And finally, if none of this actually work, well, unfortunately, sometimes the problem itself may be your GPU. Now, this actually is true for, especially for GPUs that are having problems. So it depends. Sometimes games will not be able to run on certain GPUs. So if that's the case, you may need to wait for some updates or even report any problems that you may be encountering on the game itself. Like for example, report that to the developer itself, or where winds meet here, and see if they can actually release some patches. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.